Medicare fraud is a $60 billion a year problem, and it's only getting worse. Fraudsters are targeting seniors, trying to get them to turn over their personal information.
Dozens of viewers have reached out to our Verify team with questions about Medicare fraud, and in many cases, it all starts with a simple phone call.
This is Shelly in a Medicare Enrollment Center on a recorded line. And I see here in the past you inquired about your Medicare supplement coverage. Can you hear me okay?
It's a call like that one that led a KREM 2 viewer to reach out to our Verify team. They write, getting calls from a 206 number stating they need to update my Medicare card. When I said no, they hung up. I've never heard that Medicare will update the card. Is this a scam? Let's verify. Our sources are Medicare, the Senior Medicare Patrol with the Washington State Office of the Insurance Commissioner, and the FCC.
Medicare will not call and ask you for your more information. They will not solicit you for anything or ask you for any money.
Kim McKenna is a senior Medicare patrol coordinator for Washington State. She says calls asking about your Medicare card should not be trusted.
Medicare changed their cards in 2018. They went from what used to be Social Security numbers on the cards to a random series of numbers and letters. And they do not have any plans to change their cards again.
That means no special cards and no extra benefits.
Medicare will not be sending out any new cards or designing new cards. There are no cards with chips. There are no plastic special cards that come with extra benefits. And Medicare will never call and ask for your personal identifiable information.
Scammers, however, can be very convincing, and Kim says social media is making it easier for them to trick people.
We all are very tapped into social media these days. And so scammers will use whatever personal information they can find. It could be your full name, it could be an address, it could be your date of birth. And they'll call and they'll say, this is Medicare. And they will have enough personal information of yours to sound like they are an authority, like they know you and they have a record on you.
Here are a few tips from Medicare to avoid fraud. First, protect your Medicare number and your Social Security number. Guard your Medicare card like it's a credit card. Don't accept offers that promise money or gifts for free medical care. And don't join a Medicare health or drug plan over the phone unless you initiate the call with Medicare. Also, just because the call looks like it's local, that doesn't mean it is. The FCC warns that scammers may spoof a number so that it appears like the call is coming from a government agency or a health provider.
If somebody receives a call from supposedly Medicare, they need to just hang up. Scammers will use that information to then mine more information.
So we can verify, yes, any call asking you to update or renew your Medicare card is a scam. And now that you know, the next time you hear this...
Hi, this is Casey. I'm a Medicare advisor calling on a recorded line. How are you today?
Just go ahead and hang up the phone.
Remember, you don't need to answer every call. Just because somebody is calling you doesn't mean they know you, and it doesn't mean that they have good intent.